Coming live from Merida, Mexico. This is Amputee Adventures. And buenos dias, everybody. Well, today I'm not out and about. Today I'm just chilling out here in my apartment area. Had to go out, and I wanted to go out and get a present for myself today, but it was postponed till Monday. And it kind of worked out good because today I had some issues with my leg. As you can see, my leg is right there. It would not click into place properly. As you can see right there, there's that little spike. And I don't know if you can see it, but down there, it clicks into place. And usually clicks, with this liner, it clicks into place with 4 times, and my other one is 5 times. But this morning, did my normal routine. It takes me a while to get my stuff ready. I could not click into place even one. And yeah, it was, so it's swelled up during the day, or during the evening. So, sorry about all the noise. It is what it is here. It's such a nice, pretty day outside, as you can see. It's one little cloud over there. It was foggy this morning and 72 degrees, but it's going to be like 90 today. Beautiful day, but yeah, just can't go out anywhere. But yeah, so what do you do when your leg doesn't click into place, doesn't lock into place? Well, with me, and I can show you how I have to put it on. So let me put the camera down over here some way, if I can do this. Well, bear with me. Okay, yeah, so here's my leg. After I get my liner put on properly with the spike properly seated, I set it in here and line it up properly. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. That's all I can get it into for today. What I've been doing is letting it click it in as much as I can, and then just let it kind of reduce the swelling down. Doesn't hurt. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt at the moment. So yeah, I'm curious what you guys do. Do you other amputees, do you put the leg on and just let it sit there for a while and then try to click it back into place? Maybe I can get it into a 4 time. Nope, not even close. Or do you keep the leg off and just keep the liner on? I'm curious. I don't know. Yeah, sorry about it. So loud over here. But yeah, so that's what's going on today. Can't go out anywhere. As you can see behind me, right out past that hallway, there's a little drop off. And I don't, I'm sure I could get past that. I just don't know if I'd be able to make it back over it. Don't have a ramp here. So I am going to be heading out Monday. I'm going to go get myself a Christmas present. So I wanted to go ahead and just take it easy for the day. There's nothing I have to go out and do today right now. So, plus there's a lot of traffic, as you can hear. It's a couple weeks till Christmas, so yeah. So what do you do? Do you put the leg on and let it just form, or do you keep it off and not? So that's the issue I have going on today. And besides, my finger is really hurting. But yeah, Please like, comment, subscribe, share if you dare. Let me know what you guys do. Have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.